When I'm asked, how has Skills for Prosperity Kenya made a difference in your practice? I would say in very many ways, and specifically the way I design my lectures. I think about design inclusively. I post my lectures in multiple sources that my learners can access, given their background and also availability of internet and the cost of data bundles. I also check on my students who have not handed in their assignment. Multimedia gives them a leeway to choose which media is more comfortable for them. And therefore, my expectation is that they will do assignment and post on time. I've also incorporated some videos in my lectures to create variety and break monotony. And that to me has been a game changer. And therefore I would say Skills for Prosperity Kenya, facilitated by Open University of UK, has made a big difference in the way I design and deliver my lectures. Thank you.